bigyan lang kayo ng copy. Para at least hindi na kayo babalik dito mamaya.
Halika mo, sure. Sorry, right? Yeah. Ganun din sa loob ng football. Okay. Okay. So, chicken. Look here.
Okay, smile.
Smile, smile, everything, smile, smile. People close together, close, yeah.
What's the family?
Smile. You may all place the hand like, yay! Yay! You close together, family like this, give me family, all of you, just give me like this. Just like holding like this.
Single po. Problem is very humid today.
Ang dami po.
Yesterday also it's what like.
Ay, may ito brown sa buto.
So just keep this card, 21 seconds. That's how it's on.
Aha!
Ayaw mo. Ano ka? Ayaw, pwede mo picture.
Oo naman. Wala naman mga amon.
Dito po, magandang.
Pang profile pic ba?
Oo, sir.
Smile naman dyan. Yeah.
Oh, ikaw naman po ko.
Ay, bawal.
Bawal, bawal.
O sir?
O, nakahanap niya naman pala.
Tatawan-tawa.
Compose mo sir. Teng, sama ka natin. Sabi na you're wet. Ito na extra shirt. Kamay yan. Taas mo yung kamay mo.
Taas mo.
Para patas oh. Tara isang angulo ba? Alright.
Thank you, sir.
Galing ko mga hanikabayo. Thank you. Yan ang maganda.
I can take photo.
Yes, you can take photo.
What is
So dear visitor, welcome to 25th floor. Basically, we are in 50th floor now because all the suites in Rojanara is a duplex suite. So, yes. Total we have 199 suites in Rojanara. So in this floor, we will explore two main rooms. First will be the experience suite, which will explain you about the history, architect, and design of the hotel. Once you finish that, my colleague will take you to the most expensive suite in Rojanara, which is Royal Suite. From here, you can see the 24-karat gold lip ceilings, gold-plated elevators. The carpets are handmade carpets from India. If you like to try any photos, I can take for you.
This is from India.
The carpets from the showrooms. Just take photos of the
Ito tayo po.
Dito pa kasi sa...
Thank you.
Kulang na kasi.
Yan. Nakakatakot naman.
Picture ka sa kanya, so...
Hindi, okay.
Dapat nakaupo tayo dun sa meron. Ay, doon na lang sa loob mamaya.
Ready? Okay.
Ayun yung ano.
You will see the atrium, which is 100. So you can have a look down from here. You will see that each floor with the 180 meters.
Ayun yung ano yung angle. Kulang mo ito sa...
Ay, oo. Ganda.
So exit on the side. So dear all visitor, welcome to Experience Suite. Before it was a Royal Suite, we just converted as a museum. So this is the biggest suite in Burj Al Arab, which is 780 square meters. This is the most expensive suite in Burj Al Arab, which is costing only $40,000 US per night.
Only.
Yeah.
Only yan.
So ready to go?
40,000 per day. Ang ano?
So dear visitor, welcome to Experience Suite. From here it's a self-guided tour, so no need to stick on the group. You can just follow your page, take your time, make pictures, videos as much you like. First we will start upstairs to the right side. We have architect studio, and we will move to the dining experience. Once we finish both the room upstairs, third room will be the iconic moment, and the final room will be the catalyst room. If you have any booking for the beverage, it will be served here. Then my colleague will take you to the next room, which is Royal Suite on the other side. So enjoy your time. Let's start.
Ikot mo na tayo.
upstairs.
Akit na ito.
Pwede na ba ba?
Pwede natin.
Inside na lang po dito. Ay, ang ganda oh. Nice view.
Ay, ganda.
Parang yung sa 360 rin na pula na pinuntan. Dapat ka na sa ay, doon. Diyan tayo picture. Kaya ba picture mo doon?
Saan?
Dito. Against the...
Subukan natin.
Kaya?
Okay lang.
Sumakit ang tiyan ko sa liit.
Akin po na ito. Ito. Hindi ko okay. 1, 2, 3. Isa pa. 1, 2, 3.
Thank ikaw naman.
Nakakit eh.
1, 2, 3.
Ano pangalan ng pool na yan?
Wild Wadi.
Ay, yung Walwala. Hindi pa kasi pool.
Di ka pa nakalimot dyan?
Yung labirin, sa labirin.
Mas, ito, pinakamagandang liguan na napuntahan ko.
Walwali.
Maganda pa ito sa Atlan.
Kasi wala siyang slide.
Meron.
Nag-ano na ako dun, nakikot mo.
Picture.
Saan? Dito na lang sa architect, sa design.
Saan nga rin nagkaano? Sa inyo pwede. Yung browsing kunwari.
Ikaw,
Ito ba tayo dito?
dito pa. Ikaw,
Ating.
iba-ibang area na ng Locos.
Di mo ako pahinsa.
Sige.
Hindi tayo sa hindi tayo na. Ay, ikaw.
Ito, upo ka muna dito.
Ikaw na.
Dito. Upo mo.
Yung pa.
1, 2, 3.
Ikaw.
Ating kulang mo kami, ganito lang.
Wala namang diri.
Solo mo, Ating. Solo mo.
Wala namang diri.
Ayun, okay ka kaya yung ano.
Dapat pala dito.
Okay, perfect.
Dito sa hagkat.
Sige, sa atin.
Dito.
One, two, three.
Saan ka na? Ikaw nga.
Ano ganda dito? Dali na ako ng kape.
tsaka yung hawak mo sa kamay. Tignan mo.
Ano ba ang ano nito pangkuha? Ito o kabila?
Kahit saan siya umikot.
Another pose, Bo. Sige, B4. B4. Kaya mo na yung bag, hindi na yun.
Ano na lang, nakabukas.
O, dalawang ay...
Dalawa kami ito eh. Gitna mo dito ah. Upo ka muna dyan, Bo.
Kasi nagulong din ito.
Upo ka muna doon.
Ano?
Dito na rin tayo magko-copy.
Isang tanong B4 ako. Saka tayo kayo dito.
Nakatayo tayo?
Dito lang ako. Yan. Yan. Upo kayo. Upo. Thank you, sir.
Basta rin mga kasama na.
Bumaba na sila.
Kasi pwede na mo ano.
Diyan pa tayo magkakape, di ba sa baba?
Oo.
May picture sila dito.
Pwede mo ako, ano?
Pwede, magpunga sila.
Pwede na ako, sir.
Naka 3D din pala yun. Siya isang ano.
Sa paa.
Tingin. Tara sa ano na, kape na tayo. Kape na tayo ng gina.
Mag-picture pa kayo dyan. Dalawa kayo.
Anyone in your area finds sick or injured can bring them in to treat. Someone injured from swallowing plastics or getting tangled up in rubber.
Ba't magkalay po?
Others are sick and covered in bottles. All patients will continue to report to and carefully monitor their breath. Later, we move on to the general policy. This has to be the first and
Doble pa na yan. Pwede picture, pwede picture.
Tuloy-tuloy. Yan. Donya ka. Go. Okay, dito naman. Dito pa kita. Yeah.
Yes, we have previous session explore the truly more.
Did you look here? Touch? Can touch on it?
Ano naman yan?
Mga ano lang, activities yun.
Boxing. Uy, Pacquiao is not invited.
Maybe another time.
Ano na ba? Oops. Wala na.
Magpupusta kayo po sa Sitok pa siya.
Who made the concert here before? Beyonce?
That was the indicator.
You don't say that was Atlantis?
Oh, okay. Si Andy Murray. Si Rafael Nadal. Is it? Who's the player?
That's Roger Federer and Andrew Agassi.
Jeff Federer.
Way back in 2005.
And 2000.
Ay, 2000.
Next part of our attendance is the video. It's part of the experience with our tour. We stand one by one.
Okay. Oh, book. Stand by me.
First one.
Pag may isa lang yung book.
Nasisilaw ko sa
Oo. Parang ano yung sa... ano ba to? Hollywood.
In the poses and movements, you can also dance. Just no jumping and
Oo, jumping. Happy. Happy.
3, 2, 1.
Birthday.
And that's it. Next part.
Ikaw na naman.
Ikaw na muna. Salamin ka din. Happy, happy, happy. Magkano yan? Kilay.
I'm sorry.
How much?
125 po. Pero free to try naman dito.
Pagka nagkikilig, wala.
Wala lang. Pwede po.
Mamaya mahilo pa ako dito.
Dance.
Sayo ka na disco at huwag ka natin kaya.
In 3, 2,
Ah, mas maganda ang sweat.
how about all together?
Halika tayo tatlo.
Kasi ba tayo?
Oo. Ma'am, saan i-check yung...
This was the other.
Sa kapila. Okay, kala. Hindi, mag-picture muna ako dito.
Ay, just wala akong picture dito.
Mamaya na dyan, paglabas na lang natin.
Let's continue this way, please. Once you're ready.
Like to discover so here you can choose between 360 see the square box, so you need to move it around. See how this
One option is that's the 200 with all those. Just select the picture like it.
if you want to see more pictures, you do like this and you press here.
Ganda.
You're welcome.
I want to Dubai Mall.
So that's a Dubai Mall, but the view is only outside.
Ay, nakamap.
Yung picture na lang from outside.
You know what she
Dubai Mall. Finance hotel.
Try mo to
Yeah, you're pushing really good. You didn't do mine, but you're really good. Because that's how you were doing it. Yeah, I see it touching.
Ay,
I see it.
nagkakakulay siya. Oh, hindi nga. May kulay yun.
Ah.
Makes me nervous. I'm always sitting with you by a lot.
Ayan.
Let's see. Look, I can see yours. Look, weird, probably.
Meron naman.
I am not talking.
Yeah, we're not that into it. We're boycotting kind of.
Ikot mo. Galaw.
How much bands I got?
Nice.
I'm gonna go band by band. Let's go band by band.
Just go for one month.
I maybe I'll
In Dubai.
Then you can
We decided to boycott them.
If I just mess with you.
Virtual Arab naman. Ayan, no? Tingnan mo yung mga ano nila. Dito ka sa Virtual Arab. Ayan. I-rotate mo sa square, sa square. Yan, square yan. Basahin mo. Ayan. Ano yung Taylor Spa?
Okay, so let's see.
Ayun pala, para kulang na. Kuha. Check na lang din. Kasi ako
You can try some pictures. How many? Video I'll show you, but you can try some photos. This is the last part. You can try pictures. You can keep your belongings on the table. You want to try some pictures all together?
Yeah, just together.
All
It's
together.
okay, yeah, for two.
Kasana sa atin? May gusto pa makita.
On the YouTube?
Another...
You can keep your belongings on the table and you can take off the
Ano? Bakit picture pa pala ito? Kala ko ano? Kala ko... Ano?
You can take off the lamp. Yeah, you can take off. Is it right? Be close, family card. So you can give your stickers, right?
It's okay, he doesn't want to.
Just put your hands in pocket. Thumbs up.
Two thumbs up.
So like this. That's it. So one more, just. Put your hands in pocket and look up. Hands in pocket.
Bakit ang
And look up. Look at the camera. Smile. Look at the camera. Smile. Okay, thank you. Come back side. I'll show you all the photos and videos.
Sino lang natin?
Diyan pa lang.
Ayun naman pala mo.
Pangit na ng buhok ko. Sana pagkapit ko
Okay
lang.
lang. Oo.
Is it recording? No.
Ha?
It's recording.
At least ayun.
Thank you.
Parang namamaya.
Hindi ko lang ngiti mo. Ganda.
Malinaw, no? Ayaw nga tayo sa
Sana sa...
125.
May ko tingin. Poster dyan.
Kahit sino nagro ko.
Magaling ba sa production?
Pero pala nauna ko lang idea. Nauna kasi ako lang idea. Ayan, ayan. Ay,
Ay, tatlo.
Do you have any family?
Yes.
tapos yung call lahat.
Wow. Sayang ako.
Okay ka lang.
Papalitan ba niyo ba? Ito kaya natin ito. Kasi may
Okay, you're not gonna have party later.
Dati sabihin mo sa kanya. Wala namin. Yung video na nakuha niyo. Natatita.
kumuha na si
How much is one?
Starting price 175 euros with spray.
How about without frame, only the
Just
copy?
the cheaper.
Just the copy.
Printed photos with the spray.
So printed book only.
Printed photos come with this spray. So you can go for digital. I can give all pictures digital 500 dirhams.
Also the videos.
Just separate.
How much is the
I can give USB for the pictures.
Mahal. Yeah. Kuha naman ang minsan.
sayaw lang sa akin?
You try solo pictures once in a while.
Mahal ba yun?
Pero lahat na.
Hindi, picture lang yun.
Pero
500.
kung gusto mo, pero
Ay, hindi. Pangit yung mga picture na.
kasi kung ano naman nakatungtong nagkala ko kasi yung ID
Ilang sa ano?
yung pang ID
Can I see the other ones?
ay na lang ulitin ano mas
Picture tayo.
may contact sa list
Downstairs only.
ano yun yung buha sa labi?
You buy pictures with the videos. You want all. You buy all 4 videos. I will give 20% discount per video.
So
So per video will be 100 dirhams after discount.
But what about Pasa? We're having Pasa.
500. By the time we did it for 400 dirhams.
No, I'm holding a Pasa card.
that's what I have
For all the videos, 400.
yung video
So right now they have some.
Can I see again the video?
I can just go with it. 4 videos lahat.
Scooby yung mga dito. Pero parang ihihike.
Yung tatlo na lang tayo
This is the 3-1, the 3.
yung isang daan yung tatlo tapos yung marami konti na lang yung apat na daan
The 3 of us. Yan lang yung isa lang. Souvenir lang yun.
tapos isang picture
Oo nga, sasagad.
Bakit pa yung mga picture?
authentic kasi nasa labas ko
Can we take one of this? Only one. That's 100. The photos will take only. Which one? Which?
This one, 175 dirhams. This one, 200 dirhams.
Ay, may frame na pala. With frame?
One's 200. But maybe you can give a discount.
Okay, and just one.
Pa-frame na lang sa lahat.
Hindi, walang ano eh. Ganun lang option eh. 175 or 200. Hindi.
Kaso,
labi lang
Labi.
so
Hindi mo lang.
pamilya ka.
yung nasa labas ng game kasi hindi mo
That was only the video, madam.
You like that lovely pictures and then this one.
Ayan. Yan na lang.
Only one video.
Kung sabihin mo walang pera, kumuha.
anong
Video, tatlo.
Only video. Not any photo.
May bawas mo.
Make her the coffee.
Altogether, what?
So we get this water wrong.
I-check mo muna yung baka mamaya.
Ano yan? Sasend message.
Saan yun? Sa email lang?
So what's up? Oh, you will send us, ma'am.
I'll use QR code. You can scan this code and just after 2 hours, scan this code.
You cannot send in my email or number.
But how long it will, for example, we can get it for 2 hours?
Register your website, claim this code. Within 14 days, you can download it.
Okay.
After 2 hours, within 14 days.
Tagal pa rin.
After 2 hours.
Pero 14 days sila kagad sa website.
Ah,
So, okay na naman ang pag-ibig. How much will you give discount for the we can take
Oh my god. Hello. Hi, you can check your photos, please.
Kabayan?
Yes.
Hindi ako pwede sa
Manila.
Okay.
It's okay.
It's okay? It's okay, but try to tell me one.
natural man to.
Hindi, may sugar pa rin.
May sugar pa rin daw.
Arabic coffee, no?
Yeah. Why not?
There you go.
Asan yung
Ano yung libre lang yan?
Yung dito.
Some drinks with us, right? Please take a seat.
Yeah?
Ticket is with you?
May ticket mo.
Yeah.
Ang mahal naman ng mga ahal na yun, no?
Yeah.
Ay, sa bagay mamahalin pala dito.
Huwag ko muna dito for a while. Ang ganda lang dito. Okay.
Hmm?
Saan ba yan? Oo. Na pinunta natin Aura.
Kahit hindi na pala tayo magkape sa doon.
Oo. Eh, paano kapag dito? Ganun tayo.
Ay, ganon?
Ano, complimentary lang po.
Yeah, I will bring for you. Thank you. Go back to the shop.
Ang tamis nga, doon.
Ay, sarap sa puro.
Niluto ba yan sa asukan? Sa gano'n niluto ata yan, pinangat sa asukan.
Kaya nakuha ko dito. Ito alwadi. Yung isa alwadi. May dalawang.
Ito, well, budget na rin. Pwede kang access mo yung labas. Pwede maligo man dyan.
Akala ko nagdala ng mga isda yan.
Sarap ang kape.
Sarap siya ng sugar.
Puro. Dapat ganito na ang kape. Walang walang asukal.
The weather's great, no, it's not cold. But it's not hot like this.
Sa bagay malayo yung pinanggalingan natin. Sinigil sa 120 na umina. Di ba maliit ang ano na?
At least that's
You're golden.
Wow, thank you.
You're welcome.
Ay, go.
Yes, 24 karat. Yes, UMA. It's our barley. It's meaning in the sky, 7 brightest starry. And the sign is French pastry called curry. Contains egg, and your coffee is without sugar. You need some sugar?
No, no. For me, no.
For me.
What about you, Ate? Sugar?
Sugar?
No. Okay.
Okay, one more is coming.
Yeah.
Thank you. Ano ibig sabihin na? UMI?
Kumang.
Hindi ata malinaw yung coco dito. Madilim dito.
Hello, good afternoon. Yes, is coffee to request some berries?
Kape. Huli na ako.
Hindi, mamaya na po. Para hindi tumapon.
This one is
Ano yan?
oh,
Gintong kape. Limutan mo lang sa puno. Okay na yung puno. Wala na. Makapal yung pagkain.
You can check if you want. Take a selfie. Or here.
Ano kaya ibig sabihin nito kung
Abangan mo mamaya pag nagawa siya ito.
masakit pala kayo dyan?
May kuha ka na ng picture.
Everything's alright with your lungs.
Wait lang.
sige natin, tugay na. Lagi ka na.
Si ano mga
Hindi na naman yan. May gate ko din pala.
video mag-output. Yeah.
Go, ating sige na habang nagsisip ka.
Ano ito?
Ito yung nasa tuktok.
Bakit yan? Matigas?
Kinakay mo. Ano siya?
Sarap mo kinukaw. Chocolate pala yun.
Eh, hinalo mo na.
Siyempre. Ayan na. Ang gintong kape.
Kakulay sa labi.
Gintong presyo din. Gintong kape, gintong presyo. Yung cake naman nila makuha.
Yes, the one is
Yung bitubo yung
How's it? Good?
Tastes good.
Okay. Ay, ano man. Tawa mo naman na yan. Tapos na. Hindi mo hinalo.
Masarap na yung
may ginto nila. May mga ginto.
fresh na ano, nagata.
Hindi pala yun kung bakit pala siya.
Ilang karat to? 24 karat? Gold. Tama lang kasi magkano lang din ang presyo ng mga 24 karat pa. 100 plus din. May nilagyan mo pang kape.
Hindi, yung ano, 22 carats na yun. 200.
Parang
Ano din, wala sa ganyan. Hindi, meron na sila. Isa. Ay, yung pala.
Puma din.
Ano kaya ibig sabihin?
Supply.
said millionaire.
Ano siya yung pangalan ng restaurant? Ganun kabilis lang yun yung ginto.
Hindi mo inalo kasi.
Hindi para ma-appreciate niya yung ginto.
Tinan mo, ito ka sa lapit.
Dapat pala hindi mo wala sa mga picture.
Sigaw ko yun.
Huwag ko na binasa.
Sa lapit.
Isang lupit inalo.
والكاكمل سعودية كان سعودية
Ang mga lahi. Sino? Hindi. Yung ano na yun, hindi ba?
Ano na? Philippine bansa pinagtrabaho ko.
Oo.
Sabi niya kanina, tinanong sila kung taga
Kasi
saan.
yung nakaputi.
Tinanong nakapagod. Dapat din ako nagsusagay sa ano, dumidikit na siya.
Dumidikit pala yan. Makulang.
Dikit ko na to.
Oo.
Nilagay na. Kumapit na siya. May memory na ako. Ano pa?
Dumidikit pala yan.
Dumidikit na.
Malapit na dito. Dubai.
May gito. Yung ano wala. Yung handle niya. Kinukupit sa akin.
Ayun pa sa'yo.
Ma'am, sorry, can you take us picture? Yes. Thank you. Sorry,
Kanina lang din.
which one is a good pose? Here?
Yeah, that's okay.
Hindi siya kasama.
No.
Yeah.
We can all It's okay, just two of us later. Yeah.
May gulo pa ako sila.
Okay, okay.
Para kasi kalupat pala.
Sa ito sa mga. Hindi mga kumitin ng patay sa akin.
Ay, sorry.
Accepted.
Thank you so much, dear. Thank you. Thank you.
Saan na tayo?
Dito na. Ay, pala.
Waiting area na tayo.
Ano, picture pa kayo? Di ba, doon tayo?
Tawagin tayo.
Ay, tawagin lang ba tayo? Let's have a picture.
Hindi, mamaya. Paano sa exit? Ito rin yung balik natin.
Yeah. So just very quickly, in case you haven't had a good look earlier, so what you saw over here, of course, is just an example of a very exclusive item we have just in the hotel, right? So, of course, in terms of the design, Sequantia had a team of like 250 other well-known designers around the world that worked in the project. What you see over there, that will be a Swarovski crystal model. So basically, most of the crystals you see in the hotel will be from Swarovski. Carpets would be from cashmere, and silk around the rooms would be like English silk. So only the best of the best was asked to come and work together. Yeah. So the next part, you're gonna see the same suite like you saw over there, but with all the furniture and the designs as they are. So we call this the original Royal Suite, meaning nothing has been changed out here since the hotel's opening, which was in 1999, right? So here, as of the entire one side, will be the one suite. What you saw inside is 780 square meters. And they said that if this was available to book now, you can expect the starting price to be at least $40,000 US for one night. So let's have a look. Right, so let's have a
Just
look.
come ahead.
Outro português.
Baka na, may kulang pala tayo napasok ng pala ka na po.
Ay, ito na yung room. 40,000.
Welcome to the Royal Suite. The jewel and the crown of Burj Al Arab. Please come inside.
Ako parang good.
Enjoy, please.
Inside of the show, I would like to wish everyone to enjoy fine, enjoy your time with us.
Yes.
Now you're in the most beautiful suite of Burj Al Arab, the biggest as well. Royal Suite. It's not the sweetest palace in Arabian style. You can find gold-plated ceilings, private elevator, Italian marble staircase. Please enjoy your time, take photos, but just have small, humble request. Don't sit on the furniture. It's museum antiques. Let's start with the living room.
Ay, ito na yung para sa akin.
Kasi dito na tayo mag-check-in. Yun.
Ano naman? The living room.
As you can see, the living room is very colorful.
Yan.
Here, designer used element of fire. Red, yellow, orange, even on the carpets. And the carpet is very soft, from India and Iran. Also, we have antiques from many countries. Here you can find this big screen from Japan, 19th century. And behind me is a TV room. It's not so big, but very cozy room with gold-plated TV, as everything is gold-plated, 24 karat. Please have a look.
Ganda ng view dito. So, nakaka-relax. Bawal ba sa mga corner?
Ganda, no? Yung TV niya naka.
Sakto. Golden TV.
Parang yung sa ano no, yung sa Aura. Ganito rin yung iniikutan natin, 360. Yung mga luxury experience.
Everything is gold. Yung living room na. Hindi na hindi.
Ganito na lang ano no, pag nagpagawa ka ng ano, sa Pinas, farmhouse. Yaman. Ano doon? Ano?
Wala yun.
Parang washroom? Ang tag doon, closet?
That's how we begin it. If you want to continue, we have beautiful bedrooms.
Okay.
For you. For gentlemen, for the kids, and for the queens.
Ano daw? Saan pa?
Let's go there.
Ay,
Pero same po.
yung side pa niya.
Same ang mga format nila.
Just like that.
Okay.
Dito tayo, sa ano?
Ito ata dining nila. Oh.
Yeah.
Upstairs.
Upstairs. Sa taas din.
Welcome to the Majlis.
Same lang din mga po.
To the Majlis and the Queen's bedroom. Hello, good afternoon. Please welcome to the Queen's bedroom. Welcome. Good afternoon.
Ay, ganda ng kulay. No?
So welcome to the Majlis. This one is the Arabic style living room. By that side we have the Queen's bedroom. Please come in, take photos, videos.
Dito muna. Just
If you'd like to have photo together, I can assist as well.
Ganda ng kulay. Colorful. Ganito pala maganda.
Yung tao doon.
Dita.
Ang tao. Oh, nag-ano siya.
Multuhan ka dyan.
Naglilig.
Ha?
May tao. Yung parang horror house.
So here also in Queen's bedroom, passing by the bed, you can look at the top. There is secret mirror for the Queen.
Okay.
May access to sa kabila. Ano? Wala.
Can you take us pictures?
Saan
Baba mo muna yung ano.
Ito, okay. Para ka rin. Ito yung ano. Ay, sa atis ah.
Hindi, dalawa mo na kayo.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Now this one. 1, 2, 3. Okay.
Tingin ka.
Si atis ang week.
1, 2, 3. Like this. 1, 2, 3.
Thank you. Ito yung solo ko dyan.
Is that?
Ah, yun pala yun. Yung nagbubukas kanina.
Ha?
Ito.
Saan?
Ito yung nagbubukas.
Ah?
Ano? Housekeeping.
Grabe na may mga ano po sila. Na-imagine nyo ba? Kunyari, ikaw may-ari, no?
Ito maganda no, yung maluwag lang yung salaw.
Kuha naman ako ng taas.
Pataas na.
Picture. Ay, ano, i-video.
Video ba o ano?
I-video. May ano pa sa iyo. Kunwari pa sa akin.
Yes, please.
Pati bathroom, parang ano, kwarto na.
Ay, Diyos ko, ganda ng bathroom.
Ano yan yung pagkatapos na?
Ano, CR pa lang, bathroom pa lang, ano na. Kwarto na. Ay, yung jacuzzi nakita ko sa Danube na yung gano'n. Yung
Hindi naman, hindi nga Danube.
Sa Danube.
Ay, ang ganda oh. May malaki palang mirror.
Saan?
Ganito pala pag pagawa ka ng bahay. Yung loob, puro cabinet lang.
Pero laki, ano ibig sabihin sa kanila? Yung extension niya rin yan? Pati ba? Sa kanya to lahat.
Royal suite. Royal suite.
Ang ganda.
Diba? 40,000 US. Ang isang gabi.
Claim it soon. Magaganyan tayo.
40,000.
Bawal mo pumupo dito.
Bawal. Bawal yung gumawa. Tsaka ano. May tao pa ate?
Wala. Tara, pasok.
Pasok na.
Wow!
Oh, dito pwede na matulog.
At talagang nilagyan nila ng baboy.
Bawal hawakan yung bawal. Lawak ko. Bang. Wow, ginto to?
Any sabon?
Ready kang tab, bathtub.
Diyos ko, si Angelina Jolie ang pwede siya. O, di ba sabi ko sa iyo, ang mga pabango nila, mga ganito.
Totoo. Ay, hawak namin yun sa perfume.
And they have Joe Malone here. Kasi
Meron po ba ito? Kumikinang pa rin yung sabi ko. Sabi ko, may katibayan ng ginto.
Meron ba ba?
Parang nalulobot na yun.
Tapos na tayo dyan.
hindi pa.
Ay, iba to. Sa baba tayo kanina.
Mukyat tayo pa rin.
Ay, oo.
Please go inside. Gentlemen, master bedroom with rotating bed.
Wow, rotating. Dito, isang.
Oh, no worries.
Wala na. Rotating bed.
Oh, nice.
Right?
Well, your bedroom, your bed. Not bad, yeah?
If he's sleeping like this.
This is
This
good.
will also help bigger dressing room.
This is good for the kids.
Little bit of baby, yeah? And in the bathroom, you'll find yellow marble, it was Italian Versace.
Oh,
Yeah.
Versace.
Bago hingalo.
Wow, Versace. Oh.
Nasaan ang Versace? Oh, yung design sa floor.
Versace marble.
नहीं उस टाइम में थी उस टाइम बनवाई थी उन्होंने
Parang Indian style.
Budget Arab. Mga souvenir ko.
Ah, oo.
Ano to per exit nila? Ah, may per exit dito. Ganda ng view. Wow. Nagkaka-relax.
Now, this is in your house. It's a covered one room, that's the best.
Yes, very nice.
Take it back.
Kita yung
Now the last dining room for everyone.
Ano na, last na tayo?
Dito na tayo umikot. Saan ba tayo galing bumaba?
Dito?
Dito tayo makyat? O dito?
Oo, doon tayo makinig.
Para may rotation.
Salima?
Kasi ba?
Ada ini. So we can eat.
the office or the library in the Royal Suite, the room here, if you look to that side, you will see that this is the dressing room and the bathroom, because we can convert the room here to be the third bedroom in the Royal Suite, of course, upon your request. We are considering the Royal Suite to be 3-bedroom suite, so we can accommodate here up to 6 guests together in the same room. When we speak about the design of this room, especially here, they give a nickname to the room and they called it the sunburst room, because here you can see all of the 4 elements that we spoke about them in the beginning of the tour. So like here, if you look to these golden rays, this is the sunrise representing fire, the sky paint representing air or wind, the flowers representing earth, and the water is represented by the Arabian Sea. As well as if you look here, we have 12 seats for any occasion. If you really want to host an occasion here, it's very easy for us to do it. And as my colleagues mentioned before, that here you can dine with your own private chef. You don't have to go for a restaurant or anywhere. You can dine here if you have a party or something. We are able to host it in the restaurant. Right, so ladies and gentlemen, you can enjoy your pictures and your videos, and whenever you finish from here, the exit will be through this door. From here outside to the left to continue through downstairs. Thank you.
Tayo ka dyan.
Tayo ka.
Ginto pa sila.
Ikaw pa sa isa. Ikaw naman. Huwag na. Video ko na lang.
Video mo.
Pagka may gusto siyang ka-meeting, no?
Akala ko rin ito. Exit pala.
Thank you. No, that's it.
Saan siya? Iniwan ka. Ito. Ito, exit. Exit to drive.
Ang galing nila.
Ikaw naman, Ting.
Ikaw din, ma'am.
It against the lights and the... Yeah.
Ikaw.
Against the light.
Kumakalik na. Ang hirap. 1, 2, 3. Sabay. 1, 2. Against the light. Wait lang. Dito pa yun. Yan. 1, 2, 3.
Ayun, kuya na sila.
Matagal rin pala ito. Akala ko ba Neha?
Saan na tayo? Mag-wash lang pa ba kayo?
Ano ba yan? Asan yung mga
Diyan.
purpose na rin? Balik na naman dito, purpose.
Oo. Wait, buksan mo. Pakita ko lang. Hindi naman special. Yung cellphone mo, tapos sa'yo yan?
Nakasama rin siguro. Mga
Rainbow. Yeah. Rainbow. This one, 24 karat gold. Real. For this one and this one, 30 not for this. Yes, gold. Yeah, 24 karat.
Wow. I thought only that one. This one gold also?
Yeah, that one also is a gold.
Can you take me a picture, brother?
Of course.
Yes, yes.
Saan ka?
Like I will open this one.
Come for this medium. That's all.
Thank you. Ikaw mo po. Dali parang real gold. Ayan o. Can you take the same picture? Pag we do that.
Baka mo
Where's the
naka-plate pa yun.
I think ikaw din. I think parang
Saan nila pinagkukuha ng mga ito?
Can you take us together, brother?
Together?
Yeah.
Ay, doon, dalawa muna kayo.
Sige.
Yeah, this one.
Makuha na kayo.
So natin. Solo. Solo perfect. Thank you so much, brother.
Sinulit na natin. Let's go.
Saan ba tayo?
Bababa na.
Then after this finish, go to the barbie car.
Ah, wala na ditong view. Ay, saan ba lip yung kanina may view? Ito ba yung lip kanina may view? Wala.
Wala.
Kumikinang yung labi ko.
Hindi na tayo bigas.
Okay, thanks for coming.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yung mata pala nun, balad. Twenty. Fifth floor pala tayo. Mataas rin pala to.
Parang sa Orong Sky Pool. Aura pala.
Sa Aura, 56 ata.
Anong floor tayo? Aura, 21 din, di ba?
Ha? Hindi 50 lang.
Ah, 50? 50? Taas pa lang. Sa 10? Ay, bawal dito. Sa labas.
Sir, total you have 46 pictures. The first one. Use the keyboard, sir. Down and movement down. So you like any photos? Just tell me also. How much one? Is one picture, sir? Depends on the frame actually. See, this frame is 175 dirham. Seeing the upstairs. But we have here one more discounted price we have. So this one only folder is 125 I can give you. And together if you buy with a package like this one, so you will get two pictures for 150. So you will get one picture and one picture. Meron na nga tayong video. 150 lang. Ano ba yun? Meron din tayong picture. Kasi wala na, same lang din naman. Same lang, tapos yung pinotoshop lang din yun. Same lang. Anyway bro, thank you.
Para magandang ano.
Meron din tayo, na-edit naman yun.
Idikit lang yung ano, no?
Yung picture na lang tayo sa labas ng ano, gagawa na lang. Ay, kasi wala pala.
May picture naman kung
Ha? Ang picture is, ang offer niya dun, 200.
Lahat lang ng picture.
Tayo ngayon, 1 lang 50 na yun. So, nabawasan na.
Saan na tayo bababa? Ay, hindi.
Gilid ka. Di ba batas dyan?
Hindi mo lang. Isa-isa. Kayo.
Dito ko sa chandelier. Chandelier ng Burjina. Pa?
Ikaw.
Ayoko.
Ayaw.
Hindi tayo marunong kumuha kaya ayaw kami.
Labi na to, no?
Labi na, patayin mo na yan.
Ang ganda naman sa hagdan.
Hindi yung ano mo, kasi baka mamaya maano.
Ano ka pa, maolay ka pa dito.
Stands for what? Uma. Ay, lang ba? Lang pala.
Ha? Ay, oo nga pala.
Saan na sila? Dito sila doon.
Yung bobby car, inside.
Dito tayo. Ay, ID. So, ano na pala?
Sa gabi pala maganda dito.
Thank you.
Copy of you, sir.
Dito na tayo sa Iwalay.
Wow, very good.
Solo-solo tayo ah.
Pipicturean kita dyan.
Yung kabilang. Dito ka. Ay, may pang-kabilang.
Dapat
Kaya sa gitna ka kasi ating sa gilid.
Malayo.
Kaya mo na.
Yan.
Kunyari.
Ay, parang yung blue, ano na nga yan?
Blue Lagoon. Sa Lagunera yun. Blue Lagoon.
Sa mag-video. Ito ba tayo? Oo. Sabi mo, isa ko nga pala yun. Sabi mo yan. Hindi ka na. Dahil pa rin ang dito, kahit yung inyo.
Malamig naman yung tubig.
Hindi oh.
Mainit siguro. Yes, kasi
Oo, tinan mo, oo, halos,
Pero yung mga ganyan lang, gusto naman ng mga mainit.
grabe.
Nalulubat na siya.
Mahal kasi dyan sa Wild Wild.
Pero yung 20% na may sa
Ay, hindi ko minessage natin. Sam, no? Ay, kakain ba tayo? Saan tayo kakain?
Palmol. May message.
Kaparang siya.
Tumahan. Hindi kasi ako marunong magpasok ng ganyan sa laptop.
Iba kasi format nito pag kailangan i-edit mo pa para mag-video format siya. Pero meron naman isa yung automatic yung ano, isang format lang.
Grabe ang galing nila, dinagdagan lang nila ng ganito. Para may taas.
Sariling ano, para hindi na sara yun. Malapit na siyang malawa.
Edit kasi, kaya mabilis siguro maluwagan.
Pero nung winter ang tagal eh, no?
Ano kinalaman sa init? Bakit mabilis na?
Hindi, mabilis
Yung
siya
material niya
mag-drain. Umiinit kasi siya agad.
Medyo.
Nung winter ang tagal nito. Mabilis. Pag umiinit siya, mabilis siya.
Pala ito, damol.
Yung bilis ng pagod.
Damon. Wala namang pangalan, basta damon lang.
Gamot. Sumakto.
Saan tayo sasakay?
Brother, where we can guide the taxi here?
You want to book Uber or you want to get the normal taxis?
The normal taxi. Thank you.
Jumeirah.